Hello, good evening.
Good evening, nurse.
My name is Shimna, one of the registered nurses in this children's hospital, and I will be your child's attending nurse today.
Okay.
And can you tell me what bring you here today?
What to tell you, doctor? I'm really worried. I have been waiting to see the doctor. It's, I
Yes.
want to see the doctor immediately. I'm waiting for the last half 1 hour. 1 hour I have been waiting, and this is not the right way. How much more time I have to wait to see the doctor? My child is suffering from, see him, just a 3-year-old.
Okay, I understand your concern. Being a father, you will be very anxious about your child condition, and if I am there means I will react in the same manner. You don't worry. Actually, uh, doctor is attending another emergency condition in the emergency department, and he will be coming soon because already we informed regarding your child's condition now, and he will be coming and attending your child soon. And also I am sorry for the delay in attending your child. And don't worry, I will take care of him now, and doctor will be coming. Till that time I will be here.
Yeah, nurse, I feel that it's very important now for my child. Doctor should come now and he has to take care of it. See, he has a lot of problem, He has chest tightness and he has wheezing and he's facing a lot of difficulty in breathing. And still, I feel, okay, one more thing. I feel that my child has asthma. What do you think, nurse? Come on, tell me, check in, tell me that she has asthma or not.
Okay, your concerns are reasonable, and before going into confirmation, we need to assess the child's condition. And for that, doctor will be coming soon, and he will thoroughly examine your child, and he will make a confirmation regarding the asthma also. And from the uh, from the signs and all, me also suspecting like that only, but we need to confirm it with the doctor. So let me examine your child if you don't mind.
Yeah, but one thing, tell me that my child is suffering from asthma, and then I don't want you to. What will you see with regarding my child? Call the doctor immediately. I want the doctor to see. What will you do? What can you do?
Okay. Okay, don't worry. I already informed doctor regarding your child's condition, and he will be attending soon. And meanwhile, let me check your child's physical examination and all to complete. So anyway, doctor coming means he will do the same because he need to check the physical examination and that baby's chest means respiratory rate, rhythm and all. So once I completed means it will be easy for the doctor, and it will be time consuming also, means time saving also. So if you don't mind, can I check the baby's physical examination and vital signs?
Okay, I don't think whether this is important or the doctor observing my child is more important. I don't understand. Okay, if there is no other option, what can I do? I will wait. Come on, take. Okay.
Okay, thank you for allowing me to examine your child. I am assuring that your child's condition is very important for us, and I am doing my best, level best, and he is stable now, and he overcome the emergency situation, and all the first line management we are giving now, and he is stable. And once doctor coming means he will attend the baby, and he will confirm the diagnosis and further treatment morality and the medicine, everything he will tell.
Okay,
Okay.
what are you going to do exactly now? Can I know what are you going to do now?
Sure, I will explain it to you. Actually, I am going to check your child's respiratory rate, like breathing rate, then how it is depth, it is depth or not, like that. I have to check. Then only we will get a clear idea, and it will be easy for the doctor to give further management. Anyway, he is coming means he will do the things first from first itself, and if it is finished means it will be very helpful, and it will be more helpful for the child and for also. and I will give some comfort cushion for your child, so he will be fine and feel good in breathing also. And I will be here till doctor coming, so you won't feel any discomfort. And please relax now, and let me check the child now. And if you're having any doubts, means you can ask me. I will clear it to you. And already we informed doctor. And sorry for the delay again, because you will be more caring and anxious. You are a good father because you are very anxious about your child condition. And let the doctor to come and attend your child soon. Am I clear to you?
Okay, nurse, if you feel that these procedures are very important, okay, go ahead and do the necessary things.
Oh, that's good. Thank you for accepting me. And let me check your child's condition. And can see now he is perfectly well. And anyway, let me finish the examination and wait for the doctor. He will be coming soon. And meanwhile, you can also relax. I will be attending your child. You can sit here and have some water. And please wait for the doctor. Let me check the baby's condition, and already I informed again to doctor. He will be coming in 5 minutes. So don't worry, feel relaxed. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, nurse. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.